Good morning, everybody. Today I'm talking from the workshop here in Italy, and today I'm presenting to you the technical features of our MAV range. I'm in front of an MAV machine, but I'm not talking about this plate roll specifically. I'm talking about the technical features of the range in general. Generally speaking, a three-roll variable axis plate roll operating principle is similar to that of a press brake because the top roll presses the plate between the two side rolls, the two bottom rolls. A three-roll bending machine, anyhow, is much more flexible and accurate because the interaxis distance between the bottom rolls can always vary. Davi MAV allows for individual and horizontal movement of both side rolls, and obviously the top roll moves vertically. Moreover, each one of the three rolls features rotation drives and can be tilted in every direction for cone bending. This is a general overview of the MAV machines. Now we go with the 8 main advantages this machine can give to the client.